Use numerical data to paint the 3D genome. Select Tracks, Annotation Tracks, the Genome of Interest, Genome Annotation, and here we will select GC%. Click the X to view the browser. We don't need to wait for the browser to load. However, navigate to the configuration window by clicking Open Menu. Find Numerical Painting to load the tracks. Select the type of data you wish to load and use Loaded Tracks to select the particular track. Click Paint Region to implement the changes. You can change line opacity as well as thickness of the 3D highlighted region. Click Paint Region to make the changes. You can also change the style of the 3D highlighted region. To change the colors for the scale, simply click the color to the left and right of the numerical values. Click the color to make the changes. You can also change the 3D highlighted structure by changing paint style to view it in either cartoon or sphere. Click Paint Chromosome to view the numerical data over the chromosome. Click Paint Genome to do the same for the entire genome. Use the mouse to navigate around the genome as well as the scroll to zoom in and out. To change the scale, simply unclick the auto scale and adjust the min and max values. Click Paint Chromosome to implement the changes. Once again, you can change the colors of the scale. To return to the auto scale, simply check the auto scale box. To remove the paint, simply click Remove Paint. You can also load gene expression data by selecting Gene Expression under Data. Open a text file for gene expression results. This will contain the chromosome number, the location, as well as the gene name. This will also include a value such as RPKM, FPKM, or read counts. Click to load the text file and click Open. To show the text file on the 3D genome, click Paint Region. Here you can also do Paint Chromosome or Paint Genome, for example. You can adjust the scale as well as the colors, as well as line opacity, thickness, and the style of the 3D highlighted region.